Woods, Jeff Jones, the first go round. Do the worm on stage, dude. Are you kidding me? How do you turn? Do the worm now too? Sure, why not? As long as you don't fall off. Have you had too many Americans? Okay, you do the worm now. You're welcome, you're welcome. This guy's name is Lauren too. I'm assuming he's from Memphis. Phoenix, just in your peripheral. 5 forward torque. Iron Fist over here. Let's get some names. Make some noise. See that? Lord, hit it with it. Okay. Okay, don't fuck this. There's no liability. Liability insurance. Sign a waiver when you get on the stage. Maybe you just scream, party, and have fun. And you did just that. All right, so here we go. Some more drifting out.